Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So I just wanted to show you quickly this video I've been meaning to make. So let me show you what I've been wanting to show you. So I bought these 3 buckets from Home Depot, and now I store my soil mix material in it. So this one just has like sand and pumice, which needs to dry. That this is my turfus that I add to my soil, and this is just the cactus and succulent mix that I add to my mix. That's like my foundation mix. It depends on if I have succulents that I'm potting up or cactus. So I just want to show you that this is how I store them. For a while we were getting a lot of rain, so I kept on getting my my soil kept on getting really wet, so I thought I'd put it in a bucket so that it wouldn't get wet. My son wants to say hi quickly.
Hi.
He got a haircut, his hair's short now. So yeah, just want to show you that quickly before I pot up some of my cactus. So I'm gonna pot up this guy, and these 2. This I'm gonna put in a small little pot. So come along. Alright, so here is my cactus mix that I will be using. It just has the turfus, perlite. I just added some charcoal and the cactus succulent soil. And I did like 1 scoop of like the sand. So I don't really, for this one I didn't measure anything. I just do it like how gritty I want it. It's still a little brown, but I think it'll be okay. I don't water my cactus, cacti as much, so it'll keep the moisture a little bit longer for them. This is a pot I'm gonna put them in. Grab the cactus things that I'm putting here. Alright, let me pull out my little cactuses here. I'm just breaking up the soil first. Here's that one. There's this one. There's this guy. Hopefully these do good for me. This one's so cool. I don't know the name of these, so if you know, let me take out, actually I'll leave that little guy. I'm gonna try to take out this with that little calanchoe. I hope you could see that. Okay. I have 4 of my cactus that I'm putting in there. I'm gonna throw these guys in there too. Okay, let's start with my tree cactus looking thing. Don't mind my crazy nails. I need to cut them and manicure them. They're looking crazy, but it's okay. Got this one here. This one has a lot of roots. If you know the name of these, let me know. I don't know them. We got some more soil. Be kind of taller. Okay, like that. Then I'll do a reddish one. I don't know how this one's doing. I feel like they need some water, so I'm gonna water this after, but give a little more space there. And so I'll throw right in front here. I want to say thank you to all my subscribers, new and ones that have been following me. Thank you for following my channel. I know I haven't been on as much, but I have 2 more weeks of school, so I'll be making more videos, which I'm excited about. I think I want to switch these ones. Switch this one and this one. Just because of the height of them, I think. I don't know. When I plant things up, I don't have any kind of way that I want to do it. I just kind of go for it. Like, that's the best way to do it, because you can try things, and if you don't like it, you can always take them out, move them around. That's the beauty of making arrangements. Okay, I'll put this little guy here. And we give this one a good water when I'm done. Okay. Yeah, these need water too. Okay. Do this one here. My other cactus and these little guys are doing good together, so that's why I'm doing it again. If I saw that they were not doing well, then I would take them out and do something else, but I feel like they're doing well together, so I'm gonna make another arrangement like this. Okay, so then I'm putting these 2 closer together here. Make a little more room for their roots here. me try that again. Let's take some out here. This can go there, and this one can go here. I'm just gonna pour this oil back in like this. Pack it around. Much better. Some more. Just like that. And just like that, I have my little cactus. I don't know if these, I know they're some kind of lithops, but I'm not sure exactly the name. I probably said it in the other video, but now the name is escaping me. So I will look for that name. They're a type of split rock, as you can tell. Okay. Now for this one, I think I'm going to do a nice blue toned rock because that was pretty. I'm gonna do this rock. Let's see how it looks. This rock I get at the 99-cent store. I'm doing the outside first. I might have to go pick up some more rock, but I might have enough because I have a little bit in a tin over here. They're kind of big, so you could still see the soil. Might fill it in with some sand. I just did that more to fill in the little cracks. No rhyme or reason, I just did it. Maybe I should use sand. Honestly, I like the pink and the pinks and beiges in these little rocks, and how they contrast with the blue rocks and the plants actually. This one I don't know if it's doing too well. This one either, but we will see. I'll give them a good drink of water. And I feel like even these, even though they're splitting, I know I usually don't, when they're splitting, I don't water them, but these I feel like they're always splitting, so. And they look kind of like they needed a drink too, so I'm just gonna go for it and give them a drink. Some of you may be like, what are you thinking? But you watch the way your plants are, and if they need water, you give them water. That's what I do, so I'll go ahead and do that now, and then I'll take a picture so y'all can see. I think that looks really cute. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I will be doing a giveaway soon since I reached my 1,000 subscribers. And yeah, I'll talk to y'all next video. Bye.